Welcome everyone, Mr. Nobody here to bring you a video on how you can make a quick, easy buy on Bittrex and also a stop buy. But before I get started, subscribe. I'm going to make more videos like this in the future, and especially I'll show more buys and what's hot for quick flips. So this is a quick flip video. So please subscribe, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up. Let's get right into it. Right now, I'm actually going to be buying Mercury for between 5,000 and 5,200 satoshis. And what I mean by that, the satoshis is this guy right here, this BTC. So I'm buying between 5,000 and 5,200 satoshis. This is 5214. I'm fine with that, going a little over. I am holding this until I'm selling this between 5750 to 6350 satoshis. So if you happen to catch this video that the price is still the same, I suggest to buy and hold once this value goes between 5750 and 6350. Nothing more, nothing less, and you dump back into the market, sell it. Okay. All right. So I'm in Mercury now. This is my amount. I want to hit the max. Oh, well, I got to put a price in first, right? So 52. This is the prices right now. This is what people are asking. I want to see if I can try to get it for this price. This would be really awesome at the 51.98. There is a sizable amount right now that needs to be processed at this price. So I'm not opposed to probably taking. I'm fine with taking this. I mean, as you saw, the price was at 52.14, at least according to CoinMarketCap. This is at 52.33. That's fine. I'm not gonna lose sleep over it. So I'm gonna click on that. That is the max right now that I'd be getting, 332 point blah 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 of Mercury. So I want to hit buy and hit confirm. And there's my order being placed right now. Now I know that's the amount of BTC that I have. I want to to make a stop order, I want to take at least 10% of that and place that in a stop order here. And I just did the math real quick, so you guys don't even have to, well, I mean, do the math in your head. But you take that amount and you paste it. Actually, let me do that first. So I want to do a stop order right now. Actually, I gotta wait I gotta wait for my order to be processed first. But jumping a little ahead, guys. Sorry, it's very, very, very early, and I have my coffee, so let's just wait. I'm just waiting for my order to get fulfilled. And when you guys place an order, you can always click your order list here, and you'll see it here if it's still. If something pulls up here, if something shows up here, it's because it's still being processed. It's still pending. And that goes for sell orders, and that goes for buy orders. Your order's still being waited to fulfill. Your order is being currently processed, or you're waiting for the market to sell it or give you your asking price. So once this order has been fulfilled, it won't show up in the orders tab. It'll show up in your wallets, and we'll look at that in a bit. It looks like people are fighting right now. You know, like now there's another 300 and something orders for 381 coins right now. They're trying to get processed for 52.35 satoshis. So this is just the waiting game, guys. So this is completely normal. Don't freak out. If your you'll know your transaction, or at least what your order is. Obviously, you see there 332 satoshis. Point blah 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 blah. And there you go. That's your star. That's your order. Someone's trying to buy 1,700 satoshis right now at a higher price. So if the higher price matches someone's ask, then it will be fulfilled and that person will get their order. So I'm just waiting to get my order in. But let's assume that I do get it for this price, right? What you guys want to do is hit the max, um, your max, because that's how much you're gonna have. That's how many Mercury coins you're gonna have after. Hit that. Remember, take that 10%. I do 10%. You guys can do whatever it is that you guys want. I do 10%, and then you're gonna hit condition. Once you have your max quantity there, you're gonna hit condition. Normally you can hit max once you have your Mercury available, but my Mercury is being processed, so for video purposes, I'll just copy and paste it. That's what I did. Conditional, and then you're gonna paste that 10% markdown into there. Once you have that 10% of whatever it is that you're of your amount, don't put this amount of your amount. So do the 10% off of whatever amount it is that you bought in Satoshis. Go click the conditions tab and always do less than or equal to. Less than or equal to when you're trying to sell. Less than or equal to, okay? Once you're done there, you're gonna hit sell Mercury. Okay, so as soon as you finish buying a trade, once you start buying a coin, you want to go immediately do the sell trade after. Okay, don't wait, because obviously if you wait and the coin goes down, then well, you lost money. So go ahead and process the sell Mercury stop right after. And what this will do, if some of you don't know, a stop loss, what it does is that it's a safety net for your investment. So when you make a purchase, and let's say your purchase out in the market, and you just go out about your day, you don't really pay attention, you're not looking, you're at Disneyland and you're having way too much fun. Well, what the stop loss does is that once the market reaches this price right here of that Satoshis, if it goes down below that price, what the market will do is it will actually sell it will sell your Mercury out into the market. It'll immediately launch your order without you having to do anything, so that it sells everything out and you don't lose any more money. So it's pretty dummy proof. It's really good. I would recommend it for most of the orders that you're doing, especially Bittrex. GDAX, you can do that as well. Your GDAX stop, there's your stop option. Same exact thing when you're buying BTC, BCH, LTC, and ETH. But the same exact thing with stop orders on Bittrex. Works the same exact way. For a lot of other exchanges, I haven't seen some other exchanges that have stop order options. So not all exchanges, correct me if I'm wrong, not all exchanges might have this stop order condition. Some of these do, and that's why I love trading on Bittrex. I believe Binance has it too. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure Binance has it. So you can place these orders, and you don't have to do it all the time. There's sometimes I don't do this to certain coins that I have, and that's when I'm trading with at least the top 20. Like I would say, like top 20 or 30 coins that I have. I really don't have any stop buys because I know these are the top coins in the market, so they will fluctuate. You know, I know the behavior of most of these, so they're gonna go up, they're gonna go down, whatever it is. But these coins that are either just started or they just been launched several months ago, and they don't have that much history, I like to protect my investments, so I like to put in a stop buy. But once you're done there, you hit like I said, sell Mercury. You're good to go. You still have your buy order. Now you got your sell order waiting in the back end to be fulfilled if in case you do decide, if in case you're not paying attention and the market does go backwards completely on this, that you can. From what from some of my research, I believe this coin will go back up to like I said, to 6350 Satoshis. Once it reaches 6350 Satoshis, sell at that price or somewhere in between 57.50 and 63.50 for Mercury. But that's all I have for you guys. I'm going to do more videos like this. I'm going to start trading every single day. So I'll make quick videos and I'll post them as quickly as possible as I can. If the demand gets up to it, then I'll do them live. But I appreciate you guys for watching. And as always, subscribe, invest responsibly. Thank you guys. You guys have a great day.